Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to develop an Android app, a simple Android app in a day actually. So you can learn in a day. So for developing Android app, what are the things required? The first thing is Java should be installed. The latest Java should be installed in your system. So if that is done, so check with Java command. If you are able to run Java version Java version or just run Java. Okay, you got some response, right? So your Java is installed. If you're not getting anything, if it says Java command not found, something like command not found, then Java is not installed. So you have to install Java. So that also JDK you should install. JDK download. Okay, so it will redirect you to the first one. Okay, choose your JDK. Just click on now. The latest version is 10. So just download and install it. Then Java command will be done. Then next thing is the Android development tool called Android Studio. So Android Studio you have to download. It has 851 MB for Mac, Windows, both. It will be same, I think so. So once you download, you have to like normal download process. Double click for Windows or Mac. You have to move to application package. Once that is done, it will ask you to download the SDK like this. Okay, I have already downloaded, so I'm showing as image actually. So it will ask you to download the latest version of SDK. Then you just say next, next, finish. Once, just wait till this download is finishing and setup done. Then only you can open the Android Studio. So once you open, it will ask you to create a new project. Let's see, yeah. Basically, if you are using less than 2 GB RAM laptops or system, it will be very very slow actually. The IntelliJ platform editors are will consume a lot of GPU. So it's opening my like previous project. Let's see, I will show you how to create our project, new project. So once you open, you will get this kind of screen. So click on start new project, my application, just just let it be and leave all the thing default and click finish. So wait for the project editor to open. Don't worry about this left side wala. So these are all already created project actually. For you guys, you won't get anything. If you are opening second time, you will see the last opened project or created project here. So if you have already some project in your system, you can open an existing Android project with this option. Check out from the version control. If you don't have idea about version control, leave it. Don't worry about it. GitHub, SVN, something like that. From there we can take it. Okay. So editor is opened. If any incompatibility issue, it will show some error. We'll solve it, no problem. So wait for all the process to be done. So 3 process, 2 process running. Gradle build also should run and it should show build pass. So if you get any failure, if you got some kind of error, you cannot run into the device. And one more thing, if you are going to run this application in your real device, you need to enable the developer option. I have a video in my channel how to enable the developer option. So just listen. You have to go to settings, about phone or build number. Click 7 times on build number. The developer option will be enabled. Don't worry, guys. In my channel only there is a video. I can give the given description. You can watch it, or you can run it in real device. Now, as of now, I'm running in the emulator one. Emulator also how to create. I will give a video in the description. Okay. Here I will directly go to run part. So I have some error. Let me check. Maybe some incompatibility error. Okay. Let me change this version. Okay. So there is some conflict came with the project and test project. So you should not see build failed. If you see build failed, you can't run into device or emulator. Okay, it will. So wait for build successful, then you will run it. Okay, build is successful. Now our project is ready. We didn't do anything. Sometime you will get this kind of error, sometime you won't get. Don't worry, if you didn't get directly, you can run it. Let's see what kind of project it's created by default. So my connected device, it will show. If you are connecting real device, you can see it here. So I'm running it with emulator, right? So how to create emulator, please check our description of this video. You will have a link for that video, as well as how to enable the developer option for real device also. I have a video. Let's wait for Gradle build running. Once this is done, yeah, build is successful, finished. Then installing the APK. It will install the APK and it will launch. So as of now, it has only hello world. Where I can change this text. So this is a little boring, right? If you change something, if that is appeared here, it will be good, right? So go to res layout activity.xml. Just double click on it. Just wait for the screen to load. Yes, cool. You got a screen here. Now you want to change this, right? So I don't want to go to XML. Let's play with this design. What will happen? We'll see. So I want to create some kind of a small form. Okay. So text view. Maybe the text I have to write welcome to my first app. Okay, something else also. First app. Then I want some text box. So this look like text box, right? So just put here and one more text box for, okay, that is for name, and there is an email text box, and then phone number text box, then what else, maybe date, it's not aligned. Then finally I want one button, something like. If you want to change this button, just double click here, it will show. You can remove and do submit. Okay, so this all the things should appear. We have only hello world as of now. I have changed all the thing with just the design. Okay, just let me run. It should build APK and it will install again. It will replace the old one. Let's see. Our first simple form application will be created. Build successful, installing APK. Yes, it will uninstall the old one and install the new build. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So actually the layout is something wrong. That's why it came like that. So instead of putting all the thing, okay, just go here, just add it to linear layout with the width of the device what it want, wrap, and height is matched to parent. This finishing one you should put at end. Okay, then one more thing, orientation you have to mention. Which orientation? Vertical. Okay, if you run now, at least you can see some nice view. If you do with design, this is what the problem you will face. So I have added with design, then I have added linear layout. Wow, cool. So we are able to see text, name, and we can enter the name, then we can click on the submit. So we have successfully created our application. For formatting this to center and formatting the color, everything, we have to change a lot. So we just did simple design with the design way. Then we have added the linear layout. Linear layout in the sense that it will go on vertical, linear one by one it will add. Before we have added with the random. Okay. Okay, guys. I think you guys are able to create an app. If you face any problem or where you are facing issue, please let us know in the comments. And please download the SDK properly. SDK is the main thing for us. Before installing Android Studio, check whether you have installed Java. So these are all prerequisite. Without that, it won't work. Then I will add the description for the real device enabling the developer mode as well as the emulator. So if you're able to connect with real device, you should run ADB devices. ADB devices. So you should be able to see some device here. It's emulator. If it's real device also, it should show. Otherwise, it won't work actually. You are not able to run anywhere. Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos about testing, development, DevOps. Thank you.